Good morning, friends. Welcome to the farm. It's not really the farm, it's still my house, but it is farm day today. So I have on my flannel shirt. Maybe you're dressed like a farmer today too. If you are, you can send me a picture because I would love to see it. Oh my goodness. It's just like in our classroom where things fall down. Stick that back. There we go. All right. So I want to say good morning, Farmer Natalie. Good morning, Farmer Sullivan. Good morning, Farmer Easton. Good morning, Farmer Alex. Good morning, Farmer Evelyn. Good morning, Farmer Abby. Good morning, Farmer Logan. Good morning, Farmer Amara. Good morning, Farmer Audra. Good morning, Farmer Brooks. Good morning, Farmer Ronan. Good morning, Farmer Hudson. Good morning, Farmer Henry. Good morning, Farmer Addie. Good morning, Farmer Ben. Good morning, Farmer Nolan. Good morning, Farmer Jaden. Good morning, Farmer Luke. Good morning, Farmer Owen. Good morning, Farmer Maribel. Good morning, Farmer Bennett. Good morning, Farmer Connor. Good morning, Farmer Cole. Good morning, Farmer Charlie. Good morning, Farmer Grace. And good morning, Farmer Owen K. Oh, I miss you all so much. Let's sing our song. Let's start our day together. Here we go. Let's warm up those hands. And here we go. Good morning. What a happy day. Good morning. What a happy day. Good morning. What a happy day. What a happy, happy, happy day. It is a happy day. Does anybody remember what our month is? It changed not too long ago. It starts with an A. It's April. Our month is April, and let's count and see what day it is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You got it. It's April 15th. And let's see what day of the week it is. Sing with me. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then we start again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's Wednesday, April 15th. And friends, it is still spring outside, but if you look out your window, do you have snow on the ground? Me too, I can see it right over there. That was kind of crazy that we got so much snow. But I hope you were able to go out and get on your snow pants and boots one last time, hopefully, and go play in the snow. And today the sun is coming out, and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. So maybe it will melt all the snow, which would make me really excited. All right, today for our farm day, I'm going to read you a book. It's called Follow Me on the Farm. This is a counting book, so you get to count along with me, okay? Here we go. What do we see on the cover of our book? We see a bee and a cow, yep, and some sheep. Yeah, back here we see a tractor, something that we see on the farm. Did you know that I grew up on a farm? That Mrs. Tranby grew up on a farm. I did. We had cows when I was really little, and dogs and cats, and lots of tractors. It was pretty fun to grow up on a farm. All right. Let's see, this book is really cool. Has some fun surprises. Here we go. Down on the farm, out in the sun, Bee has some news for everyone. Quick calls out busy buzzy bee, see what I found. Follow me. He says, follow me. Look at this. Ooh. One cow replies with a loud moo. I'm coming, bee. I'll follow you. To the stables, bee quickly flies to share the news of the surprise. He calls to everyone around. Now come and see what I have found. Follow me. Let's see what this horse does here. Oh, look at that. 2 horses answer with a neigh. Of course we'll come with you, they say. Look at those horses. Bee flies across the meadow grass and calls out as he buzzes past, come everyone and follow me. There's a surprise for you to see. Let's see how many sheep we have. How many? Ooh, this is hard to do. 1, 2, 3. 3 sheep call with a gentle baa. Well, come along, it's not too far. You see 3 sheep? And then Busy Bee buzzes by the pigs all curled up in their sty. Bee calls to everyone below, I've got something great to show. How many pigs do you think there's gonna be? There was 1 cow, there were 2 horses, there were 3 sheep. How many pigs do you think there'll be? Let's find out. 4 playful pigs follow B2. Wait there, they oink. We'll come with you. Can you count 4 pigs? Nice job. Here we are, calls out Busy Bee. Are you ready? Now follow me. What do you think it's gonna be? What do you think? What's your guess? All right, let's find out. Look at this. How many puppies are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cuddly little puppies arrived here on the farm today, wagging all of their happy tails. It's time for everyone to play. Look at all those animals on the farm. What is your favorite farm animal? Let's see. Raise your hand if it's a horse. Raise your hand if it's a cow. Raise your hand if it's a chicken. Raise your hand if it's a pig. Raise your hand if it's a sheep. Did I miss any? If I missed one, let me know, okay? Have Mom send me an email, or you can take a video of you saying what your favorite farm animal is and send it to me. I would love to see that. All right, well, we're gonna do a quick counting activity on the farm. This is on the farm animal count. So, I'm gonna have you count with me. There it is. All right, here in our first square, how many pigs do we have? Let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now, which one of these is the number 3? Is this the number 3? No, that's the number 4. What about this one? Is this the number 3? It is, you're right. So I'm gonna color it in. All right, we have 3 pigs. How about this? In our second square, how many horses are there? There's 1 horse. Nice job. So is this the number 1? No, that's the number 2. Is this the number 1? No, that's the number 3. What about this one? Yeah, that's our number 1, so we're gonna color it in. You guys are such good counters. You've been practicing at home, I can tell. All right, let's go down here to these chickens. How many chickens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chickens. All right, which one of these is the number 4? See if you can point to it. All right, did you guess this one right here? That's the number 4. Nice job. Color it in. All right, and our last one. How many cows do we have? 1, 2. 2 cows. Point to the number 2 underneath. See if you can find it. Nice job. Did you pick this one? Right here. The number 2. Nice job, everybody. High five. You did great. All right, something you can do at home today. I have these cards, but you don't need to have these cards. You can just have your mom and dad call out an animal. But give yourself some space right now. We're going to practice a little bit. Give yourself a little space to move. And here we go. I'm going to say an action and an animal, and that's what you get to do, okay? So here we go. Your first one is to roll like a pig. Can you roll around like a pig? You can make a noise like a pig too. What noise does a pig make? Nice job. All right, our next one. You ready? Hop like a bunny. Can you hop like a bunny? Hop around like a bunny. Oh, what about this one? I like this one. Can you waddle like a duck? Can you waddle like a duck? Maybe say quack, 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 quack. Nice job. All right, and our last one. Here we go. Give yourself a lot of space for this one. Can you gallop like a horse? Nice job. You are such good farm animals and such good farmers. I'm really impressed. Let's sing a quick song. And it's one that you can sing at home with mom and dad too. We'll just get it started here, okay? It goes like this. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So you can put in any animal you want and you keep singing that song. All right. Next week is a super fun week. It is Wacky Wednesday. So we're gonna learn our letter W. We're also gonna dress really wacky. So maybe my hair is gonna be in a bunch of different ponytails, or maybe I'm gonna have mismatching clothes on and wacky socks. I invite you to dress wacky next Wednesday too. And then I want to see pictures of how wacky you can be. And we're going to have a super fun activity, so your parents can tell you more about that. But it's going to be super fun. All right. I miss you all so much. I hope that you are doing well. I hope that you are being kind to your brothers and sisters and to your mom and dad. That is your job this week, friends, is to be kind, okay? Be good helpers, because I know that you are, and I know that you can do it. All right? Let's sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, my friends, to you. God bless you everywhere you go, in all you say and do. Goodbye. Mwah! I'll see you next week.